Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. Today we are going to do Elementary Science chapter 4, breaking it down in a simple way to help you understand it better. It is MD Onik Hassan guiding you all through the video. So let's start. Chapter 4, Food. Number 1, Sources of food. We need food to survive. We get various foods from plants and animals in the environment. Question: Which food comes from plants and animals? Activity: Classification of food. So we have to answer this activity by making a table like this: food from plants and food from animals. So let's see the answer of this table or activity. Here is the answer of the activity. Food from plants: sweet pumpkin, gourd, cauliflower, cabbage, banana, jackfruit, pineapple, rice, bread, dal, etc. Food from animals: fish, meat, eggs, milk, butter, cheese, etc. Let's go back to the book. Summary: Food from plants. We get most of our food from plants. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, grains, and pulses as food. Food from animals. We also get many kinds of food from animals. Food from animals includes fish, meats, eggs, and dairy products. See the images for better understanding. Food from plants, food from animals. Next page. 2. Nutrients. We get various nutrients from food. There are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Along these nutrients, water is also important to our body. 1. Vitamins. Vitamins help make our body work properly. Vitamins strengthen our immune system. It supports growth and help our body parts such as eyes and bones to do their functions. There are 6 types of vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Vitamin B is made up of different types of vitamins that is called the vitamin B complex. Vitamins are found in foods like vegetables, fruits, meats, fish, and dairy products. See the images. Food rich in vitamin A, food rich in vitamin B complex, food rich in vitamin C. Now we will learn about different types, sources, functions, and the diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins. Types, sources, functions, diseases caused by deficiency of vitamin. Vitamin A: carrots, spinach, pumpkin, small fish, milk, egg yolks, etc. Functions: it helps for proper vision, healthy skin, strong teeth, and healthy immune system. Diseases caused by deficiency of vitamin: night blindness. Vitamin B complex: whole grains, dairy products, fish, liver, green vegetables, beans, etc. It helps body make energy, beriberi, mouth ulcer or oral ulcer, anemia. Vitamin C: fruits such as guava, emblic, oranges, lemons, and vegetables like tomatoes, cabbage, and broccoli, etc. It strengthens immune system, keeps our body working and developing properly. Scurvy disease of gum. Vitamin D: egg yolks, fatty fish, sunlight, etc. Functions: it is important in the growth and maintenance of strong bones. Diseases caused by deficiency: rickets, osteomalacia. Vitamin E: vegetable oils, almonds, liver, etc. It protects all blood cells from damage. Muscle weakness, slow growth. Vitamin K: green leafy vegetables, okra, soybeans, etc. It helps our body to stop bleeding. Liver disease, poor blood clotting happens when the vitamins are in short in our body. Next page. True. Proteins. Proteins are used to form, repair, and grow our bodies. We get proteins from plant and animal foods. Proteins come from the plant sources is called plant proteins. Peas, pulse, nuts, and bean seeds are the sources of plant proteins. Similarly, proteins come from the animal sources are called animal proteins. Meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products are sources of animal protein. See the images. Food rich in plant protein, food rich in animal protein. 3. Importance of nutrients. Nutrients are very important for our body. Lack of vitamins may cause different types of diseases such as night blindness, mouth ulcer, rickets, scurvy, and beriberi. Lack of protein also can cause growth failure and loss of muscle. We may get goiter caused by iodine deficiency. The best way to get enough nutrients is to eat a balanced diet with a variety of foods. See the images. Going to discussion. Discussion. Which foods are rich in proteins? To answer this, we have to make a table like this and answer. So let's see the answer. Discussion. Which foods are rich in proteins? Plant proteins, beans, pulses, almonds, legume seeds, etc. Or bean seeds, you can also say. Animal proteins, fish, meat, eggs, dairy products, etc. Back to the book. 3. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is necessary for keeping our body healthy. A balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients in order to keep our body healthy. We should take balanced diet every day. Wait. Question. How can we get low priced balanced diet easily? Activity. Selection of easily available and low priced balanced diet. Let's see the answer. Here is the answer. Menu. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. In breakfast, roti, vegetables, eggs, bananas, water. Lunch, rice, vegetables, small fish, lemon, guava, water. Dinner, roti, vegetables, pulses, milk, water. Now we are back to the book. Safe food. Foods have to be safe. Besides, they should be balanced. Rotten, infected, and impure foods are called unsafe foods. It is important to keep food clean, fresh, and covered to maintain food safety. Now, summary. Food types. All types of food belong to different groups. There are many kinds of food in nature. These foods are classified into many groups. To stay healthy, we should eat the right amount of nutritious food from all types according to daily needs of our body. This includes a balanced mix of all kinds of food items to meet our body's needs. We can get all nutrients from a variety of foods in each of these food types. Balanced diet, next page, contains an adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. We can select a balanced diet easily from the available low price variety of food. Here is a chart. See food group, main nutrients and foods. Sorry. Okay. Food grains and potato. Main nutrients carbohydrate, foods rice, wheat, potato, corn, etc. Vegetables, vitamins and minerals, cauliflower, leafy vegetables, carrots, onions, tomato, okra, pumpkin, etc. Fruits, vitamins and minerals, mango, berries, jackfruit, banana, apple, orange, grape, etc. Meat, fishes and pulses. Protein, chicken, fish, eggs, nut, beans, pulses, etc. Milk and dairy products, calcium and vitamin. Milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Oil and fat, ghee, butter, mustard oil, soybean, etc. Dietary fiber, main nutrients, fiber. Foods, different types of vegetables, fruits, mainly husked rice, etc. A food plate. A picture of the plate helps us to make sure whether we get all the nutrients we need in each meal. The size of the proportions in the plate suggests that the amounts of foods we should eat. According to the picture, we should eat vegetables and fruits about half of our plate. We should also drink plenty of water and can choose oil and fat group in a small amount. See the image for better understanding here. This plate says a healthy eating plate. See, grains and potatoes, oil and fat, meat, fishes and pulses, milk, fruit and vegetables. Then discussion. Do you eat balanced diet? To answer this, we have to make a table like this. So let's see the answer. Page 32. Discussion. Do you eat balanced diet? Food types: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Grains and potato. In breakfast, roti. In lunch, rice and potato. Dinner, rice. Vegetables. In breakfast, gourd or papaya. Lunch, cauliflower, tomato. Dinner, eggplant or cucumber. Fruits: banana, amla, apple. Meats, fishes, and pulses. Egg, small fish, pulse. Milk and dairy product. Milk. Uh, in lunch, we generally do not eat milk, so you don't have to write milk in lunch. So in dinner, milk. Oil and fat, butter. In lunch, soybean oil. Dinner, soybean oil. Back to the book. Now, exercises. Yeah, in this chapter, we have one, two, three, four, and five. Five exercises. So, let's see the answers. At first, number one, fill in the blanks. See? One, we get food from plants and animals in the environment. Two, the protein from meats, fish, and eggs are called animal proteins. 3. We have to eat healthy food every day to keep our body healthy. 4. Lack of vitamin A causes nycletopia or nisotropia. You can also write night blindness here, night blindness. That will be also okay. Wait, here. This word night blindness. You do not have to write nisotropia. You will write night blindness. Okay. Now, number 2. Put a tick mark on the correct answer. 1. Which food comes from animals? Answer will be cheese. 2. Which nutrients help form, repair, and grow our bodies? Answer will be D. Protein. 3. Which food mainly includes carbohydrate? Answer will be B. Grains and potatoes. Now, 3. Short questions. Number 1. What are the sources of vitamin C? Answer. The sources of vitamin C are various fruits like guava, amla, orange, lemon, and vegetables like tomato, cabbage, broccoli, etc. 2. What is the function of vitamin A? Answer. The functions of vitamin A are maintains normal vision, helps to build healthy skin and teeth, helps in boosting immunity. Number 3. Name three diseases caused by lack of vitamins. Answer. The names of the three diseases that can be caused by lack of vitamins are number 1, night blindness, number 2, oral ulcers or mouth ulcers, and number 3, rickets. You will write here night blindness except of this word. Okay. Then number 4, what is vitamin B complex? By which food can we get it from? Answer. Vitamin B consisting of different types of fruits is called vitamin B complex. This vitamin is found in vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, and dairy products. 5. What is safe food? Food that is clean, fresh and covered is safe food. Food should not be only be balanced but also safe. Here there's a mistake maybe. Wait. Yeah. And fresh. It will not be in here. Only food that is clean, fresh, and covered is safe food. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Now for descriptive question. 1. Why is a balanced diet important? Explain. Answer. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients required by the body in the right amount. So we need to eat a balanced diet every day because a balanced diet gives us the energy to work, increases the body's immunity, helps the body build, repair and grow. That is, a balanced diet is essential for physical health. Number 2. Explain the best way to get enough nutrients. Answer. Nutrients are very important for our body. To easily get enough nutrients, we need to eat a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients required by the body in the right amounts. Therefore, it is necessary to ensure that the six food groups are rich in nutrients in the morning, lunch, and dinner. In short, it is possible to easily get the necessary nutrients by selecting the right food list. Then, number 5, match the words on the left with the right. Here is the answer. Grain food is rice, vegetables, cauliflower, fruits, mango, milk and other dairy products, yogurt, oil and fat, soybean. Here, these words are the left words and these words are the right words. So, dear students, we have completed all the tasks of your chapter 4. from Elementary Science book. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay well, and don't forget to subscribe Mastermind and share this video to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.